stupid time. I wanna fly, but they
to the
said
right,
they
he's
can't be
switching
done.
direction.
They said the same thing about everything else, and look at how far we come. We can't be stopped, I'm taking it to the top. But whatever comes my way, it's okay, it's enough now. To fear your dreams, cause it seems to be impossible. With every hour being powered, undeniable. Is that the best that you can do? Giving up on living dreams, procrastinate on the memories. You don't got much time to lose. Hesitate and it's too late. The more you wait, the more you're wasting. Do you really believe?
Nice fucking work, dude. Woo!
Uncle Rico on the reel.
Fuck yeah, buddy.
We can make the most of taking it coast to coast, a healthy dose of the good times, and the bad was adios. I can't quite remember the quote. Someone wrote, someone said it, I forget it, but you know the one I'm on. My dreams burn like fire. Tried to put it out, but the flames got higher. Not just to drop in the ocean, you're the ocean in a drop. Don't block up my flow, cause we just can't stop. Is that the best that you can do?
Got him. Back it up, back it up. Somebody grab a tail, a gap.
Procrastinate on the memories. You don't got much time to lose. Hesitate and it's too late. The more you wait, the more you're wasting. Do you really believe you are on the safe side? Living on wasted time. Do you really believe you are on the safe side? Living on wasted time. Is that the best that you can do? Living on wasted time. You don't got much time to lose. Living on and on and on and on and on and on. And do you really believe you are on the safe side? Living on wasted time. Do you really believe you are on the safe side? Living on wasted time. Is that the best that you can do?